National 5 Maths, Practice Paper I, Paper 1. Now in question 9, I'm going to show you a couple of ways of doing this one. And it tells us to work out how many grams of powder the standard box holds. So this contains an extra 20%. So what we can do for this one, we can see the original amount before the extra 20%, we'll just call that X, times, now 100% plus 20% is 120%, which can be written as a decimal as 1.2. So its original value with a 20% increase equals 900. So X equals 900 divided by 1.2. Now, we could make it a bit easier for ourselves, get rid of this decimal here, by timesing the numerator and denominator by 10. So it's 9,000 over 12. We could divide them both by 2, because they're both even numbers. So we get 4,500 over 6. And we could just work that out, doing a quick division calculation. So 4,500 divided by 6, 6 doesn't go into 4, carry it, 6 sevens are 42, 3 left over, 6 fives are 30, and 0, so it would be 750 grams in a standard box. So that's one method. Alternatively, what we can do is just a slightly different way of laying it out. It's not drastically different, but we can say that 120% equals 900 grams. So if we divide by 6, we would get 20% rather. So divide by 6, 20% would be equal to, so we need to work that out, 900 divided by 6. So 6 goes into 9 once, 3 left over, 6 fives are 30, 0 left over, or 0 rather. So 20% is 150 grams. Now we're looking for 100%, so we're going to times that by 5. So 100% equals, so it's 150 times 5, 5 zeros are 0, 5 fives are 25, carry the 2, 5 ones are 5 and 2 is 7. So it would be equal to 750 grams, just a different way of doing the same question. Now question 10, we've just got to write down, so there's not an awful lot of working out to do, plus it's only worth 1 mark. Write down the value of A. So it's y equals cos of x minus A degrees. Now a cosine graph will regularly start up at 1 to 90, negative 1, 270, 360. Now, it's not mathematically correct to say it starts at 1 because it goes on forever in both directions. But the bit we're looking at here is usually just between 0 and 360. So, okay, that's not mathematically accurate to say starts there. But I think for the context of this, you know what I mean. So, the cosine graph, just cos x, would look like this. Like so. Well, the graph that's in the question is slightly different. It's been shifted to the right. So everything has been shifted slightly to the right. It's got the same maximum and minimum. It's got the same period, how many times it repeats within 360. It's just been moved to the right. It's gone from 90 degrees crossing the x-axis to 135. The minimum's gone from 180 to 225, 270 to 315, 360 to 405. So everything has been moved right by 45 degrees. So it will be y equals cos of x minus 45 degrees. So therefore A equals 45. If the graph had shifted left, it would have been plus 45. It had shifted the graph to the left, but not here. It shifted to the right, so it has to be the minus 45. Now it's already got a minus in the bracket, so we're just saying A is 45.